Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got my nails done and I don't know how to act because y'all already know when you get that fresh full set, honey, you gonna be forever talking with your hands for at least about a week. So, but today we are going to do a celebrity transformation, okay? Last weekend, honey, I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram, but you need to, at Beat.By.Burst. Last week I went to a lingerie party and I did like this half up, half down ponytail, and I was feeling like Ariana Grande. Okay, I kid you not. You cannot tell me that I'm not the black version of Ariana Grande, like. So that's who we're going to transform into today. I found this picture on the internet and it's just going to be like one of her simple, you know, makeup looks. So if you want to see me transform into the Miss Ariana Grande, did y'all know that her last name is not Grande, it's Grandy? So we're going to start with the brows. You know, she really doesn't fill them in that much. We're just gonna do a light little fill. Now I'm not really gonna show y'all how I do my brows because literally I have a 4-part series on my channel that you should definitely go watch because the steps do not change. It's just how strong your hand is, okay? And I'm honestly like super tired today. It's Monday, y'all. And I have to put this video up by tomorrow. I am going to conceal because I need to. Point blank period. We're just gonna do like a nice little, just a light conceal. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. So you already know how I do my brows. This is literally all we're gonna do for the brows because she doesn't really fill in her brows. I don't even think she conceals under her brow, but I do, so. Okay, so I have my other eyebrow on, obviously. And I have my eyes primed. So we're just gonna hop right onto the eye look. Solely use the LA Colors Sweet 16 eyeshadow palette. This is in Seductive. And so I'm mostly gonna use like this shade and this shade. So it wouldn't be an Ariana Grande video if we didn't talk about the thank you next video. I'm tapping into the brown shade. Let me tell you what I'm using first because obviously y'all want to know since I'm transforming into her. So I'm tapping into this shade right here using my NYX number 16 brush. But yeah, y'all, that video was so iconic. Like in the song, like she has so much growth because you think I'm about to be saying thank you to my exes? No. I don't think I could ever do that. I mean, you know, you forgive them, but you definitely don't forget what they did. And I am the type to not forget, okay? Because once you F up with me, it is a done deal. And I do have my fair share of like ex stories. Like y'all will never believe what I've been through. So if you want to see a video on that, definitely leave a comment in the comment box below, because that right there is a story time. I'll just give you a little disclaimer. All my exes have cheated on me. But my thing is, you can't break a queen, because a queen never breaks down. It's very horrible, but they, like, all of them, I won't say all of them, but majority of them want me back, and I'm just like, because once you have your chance with me, that's it. Like, there's no going back. Like, if I'm like not into you anymore, there's no chance with me. Because you know how you give like 3 or 4 different chances within the relationship, but once you're like over it, So the next color that we're going to go in with is this pinky tone, and we're going to work this on the eyelid, because she does have some peachiness going on the eyelid, but it's super neutral, having all the iconic 2000 movies in there. So yeah, I grew up watching those videos or those movies, so I can definitely hashtag relate. I'm probably only going to take one brush, honestly, because since this look is super soft, I don't really need to do much of like packing on the color. Even though I know Iggy, when she did her, what's that name of that song? First Things First, I'm the Realist. I mean, that song. She did the Clueless theme. So I will say, give props to Iggy Azalea, because she kind of like did it first. I feel like this is it for the eye look. The eyes were super simple. Like, I have OCD because I want to like pack on different colors, and I can't because this is the eye look. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a, as you can tell I'm lying because I'm stuttering or whatever, but. So we're gonna move on to the face. Actually, I'm gonna do the eyeliner. You know, her iconic signature eyeliner. Y'all see that eyeliner? Honestly, I love dark eyeliner, but I hate the damn applicator. Like, it's so freaking flimsy. So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, and we're going to mix it with a little bit of oil to create an elixir. You can take any oil. It can be vitamin C oil, it can be vitamin E oil, it can be any type of facial oil, rose hip oil, anything your little heart desires. So it looks something like this. So when it goes on the face, it gives like a nice sheen. So we're gonna brush this on so we can get like a nice healthy looking glow. And who said you can't be dewy in the wintertime? I'll wait. So for foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. I am going to mix this with that. So I just want to splatter everywhere. I'm going to mix that in with that oil because I don't want too much foundation, because she always typically has like a skin-like face application. I definitely forgot to like continue with the music video, but yeah, all I have to say is that she is super, like, has so much growth, because a bitch like me would not be saying thank you to none of my exes because they don't deserve it. I mean, I'll say that, you know, I'm not gonna say I didn't learn anything from the relationships, but what do I need to say thank you for? Thank you for letting me dodge a bullet. Thank you for not letting me kill you. Like, y'all should be saying thank you to me. The only thing I'm thankful of is not getting to that crazy stage and really showing them what I'm capable of. Because you know when you go through something, they can take you to that point. And it's not even worth going to that point, but sometimes you gotta make a point, like you effing with the wrong girl. And you know, I feel like they'll run into that because I be trying to be chill and whatnot, but sometimes you be having them thoughts like, boo boo, I ain't gonna get super crazy on you because it's not even worth my time. The only thing I'm saying thank you for is not being on the news or First 48 as one of the suspects, because... So now we're going to conceal don't feel. So I'm first going to conceal with the Fenty Beauty matchstick, and this is in the shade Suede. So we're just going to conceal with this first because we don't want too much of a stark highlight because she doesn't have that. But comment down below if you are not as petty as me, and you know, you can say thank you to your exes, because I just can't. I got too much pride for that. I've had relationships where I haven't even got like closure, and then when they see me, they think everything is like peachy king, and it's just like, dude, like, I haven't talked to you in like a year. We ain't friends. Just gonna blend this in. Kind of went a little ham with the concealer, because you know when you just talking about some stuff, you be forgetting what type of look you doing. But you know, we're just gonna blend this out. But I don't know what ex hasn't taken me to that crazy stage where, like, you know, you had those thoughts of like, I'm going to kill you, like, keep trying me and you're gonna end up in a casket. Like, I don't know what ex has not taken it that far. Because when I'm in a relationship, I give my all. Like, I don't cheat. I'm not a cheater. I've never cheated before. Y'all might think like, girl, you too pretty to not cheat. And that's what I'm saying. I'm pretty, but, you know, I just don't want that bad karma. Because I wouldn't want nobody to cheat on me, but all of them have. All of them. But I know God is creating my Prince Charming. Okay. Your girl is not looking. And what's the point of looking? Like, I feel like when you go to look, you just end up so disappointed. So I did contour. I just went in with the Fenty Beauty matchstick in, what's that shade? Espresso. Do I even know if Ariana contoured? I don't freaking know, but your girl needs to contour because we gotta hide some stuff, okay? There are some things that we need to hide. We can't just be walking around all exposed. Okay, so the different thing I did with the nose is that I did a circle because Ariana has a button nose and I ain't got that, okay? So we need to make sure our nose is snatched like hers. So just do that. So we have the lashes on and I just decided to, you know, set my face off camera because literally it's the exact same steps as I use in my 4-part series that you should go check out. Stop this video right now. Right now. I'll leave the little eye in this corner right here. Click the eye. Come back to this video when you're done so you can know how I set my face. So now I'm going to blush. I'm going to do blush. She has like a peachy blush on. So I'm going in with the NYX Baked Blush. And this is in the shade Passion. And we are just going to blush our cheeks. Y'all know I hate blush. I just hate it. But she has it on, so we have to have it on. So now we're going to work on the lower lash line. Lower lash line is going to be super simple. We're going to go back in with those colors that we used on the lid. We're just going to smoke out the bottom lash line and then just put some mascara on. So now we are going to highlight. She doesn't have much highlight on, so we're just going to chill out on the highlighters. I don't know. We're gonna try to chill out on the highlighter. So for highlight, I'm going to use the Kilowatt highlighter in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I feel like this is the only like same shade that she used. So we're just gonna go with this shade. And she does have a soft inner corner highlight. Not too like stark, like how I usually like to do it. And a soft under eye brow bone. So now we're gonna move on to the lip. So in this picture, it doesn't really show like what lip color she has, but she typically wears like a peachy type of lip. So that's the lip we're gonna go with. I'm probably just going to throw on a liner, like a peachy liner, but we just gonna see how stuff turn out. So I'm gonna go in with 2 lip liners. The first one is London, and this is the NYX Suede Lip Pencil. So I'm gonna put a lip liner on because now I'm just looking crazy. Okay, let me see if this one will work. So I'm gonna go in with Sandstorm. We're gonna go in with a different lip liner because now I'm just really looking like a crackhead, like no lie. We're gonna do the rhinestones off camera. I'm just gonna do the 3 right here, and I'm going to adhere them with eyelash glue. So now that we have the rhinestones on, we're gonna move on to the hair. So we're just gonna do her signature high ponytail. I've already straightened my hair, so the hard part is done. We're just gonna use our handy dandy nails to create this part, because we need this thing to be full and high. So we're just putting this super, super high, like so. Might even go a tad bit higher. And I didn't bring a comb downstairs, and I'm not going back upstairs to go get it. Shown. And we just gonna put a little baby hairs out. I mean, I know Ariana ain't got no baby hairs out, but I need some baby hairs. Cause your girl is a motherfucking baby. So this is it for the Ariana and Grande. Why do I keep saying that? Ariana Grande inspired look. Your girl is ready, okay? I could like literally perform. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Join the B.O.M.B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. If you want to see more celebrity transformations like this one, leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.